In today's video, I am going to teach you how to repair Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see the three vertical dots that open the main Chrome menu. Click that menu to reveal a list of browser options. From that menu, click Settings. On the Settings screen, look to the left-hand sidebar. In the sidebar, click Reset Settings. After you open that section, you will see an option labeled Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click that option to continue. Chrome will then show a confirmation window explaining what this reset will change. In general, this process resets your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It also disables extensions and clears temporary data such as cookies. Review the message carefully so you understand what will be reset. If you are ready to proceed, confirm the reset. Chrome will apply the changes and return those settings to their original defaults. That covers everything you need to know.